Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Pathami Sanskritam Nityam Vadami Sanskritam Sada Dhyayami Sanskritam Samyak Vande Sanskritamataram Vakyakaram Vararuchim Bhashyakaram Patanjalim Paninim Sutrakarancha Pranatosmi Munitrayam. What was the discussion about Atmanepadi in yesterday's class?
What was the last Kriya Pada that we did? Last sentence? Remember.
Is that 13th or 14th? Sorry, not 13th, 14th, 10th or 11th?
I think it is 11th.
For 11th one you are discussing, is it Atmanepadi or Parasmaipadi or 10th one?
What was the
10th one. Okay. Jal lao means bring water. For that is that Atmanepadi and Parasmaipadi. Who wants to say, is it Atmanepadi or Parasmaipadi?
I was thinking that because it is a request from the parents to the child, so it is Parasmaipadi.
Any other answers?
Yeah, I think it's Atmanepadi because the water is for the parents.
Okay, let us see the sutras. These two sutras we have to check. Anudata Nita Atmanepadam and Swarita Nitaha Kartrabhipraye Kriya Phale. Whenever we want to check whether it is Atmanepadi or Parasmaipadi, then we can use these two sutras. By this sutra, okay, Jal Lao, what is the Kriya Pada there? Dhatu, what is the Dhatu?
Anaya. Jalamana.
Anaya. What is the Dhatu? Which Dhatu?
Nayati.
Ni Dhatu.
Ni.
Ni Dhatu. Ni is the this nakara is there. This nakara. This is Chavarga nakara. So for this sutra, whether it is if it is Atmanepadi, then by this sutra, this nakara should be there. Then only it becomes Atmanepadi. Otherwise, it is not. So by the is this sutra applicable for that?
No.
Why?
Nakara is different.
This is Kavarga nakara, that is Chavarga nakara. In Dhatu, this nakara should be there. Then only that will become Atmanepadi. So this nakara is not there. That's why it won't be Atmanepadi by this sutra. We'll check another sutra if it is works. स्वरित नितः कर्तृभिप्राये क्रियाफले. स्वरित नित. यस्मिन् धातौ नि is उभयपदी. यस्मिन् धातौ नकारः इत्संज्ञकः. And swarita swara, we don't need to worry about it. We have to see just nakara. Also kartrabhipraya. In ni dhatu, this nakara is there?
Yes.
Ni. This nakara is there. One point is there. Another point is kartrabhipraya. Kartrabhipraya, when it is said, the one who is karta, he should do the kriya for his sake. So, if I am doing something for my sake, then that kriya pada will be in Atmane pada. But here, parents are telling child to bring the water. So, is it karta doing the kriya or karma is doing the kriya?
Karma is doing the kriya. Balakam is doing the kriya.
Balaka is doing, not parents. So, if parents are doing something for their sake, then kriya pada will be in Atmanepadi. Since nakara is there. So here nakara is there, but kartrabhipraya is not there. Therefore, it should be parasmaipadi. By which sutra? Sheshat kartari parasmaipadam. By this sutra, it is parasmaipadi. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Sorry, Purnaji, to interrupt. I think the last sentence we did was Guru ne Diksha di, number 11, and the dhatu was da, and you had looked up da dhatu, and we came up with lot lakara for that, and some of us had looked up dad dhatu and came up with the lot lakara for that, and in the da dhatu, in the dudhaye dane anit da dhatu, there was both parasmay padam and atmane padam lot lakara. So there we were, the question was, should we use was it lot lakara? Which form we should use? I think that was where the question was, between parasmay padam and atmane padam for da dhatu.
Guru ne Diksha di for da dhatu. Okay. It is past tense, right? Lang lakara.
Lung, sorry, not lot. Yes.
Lang lakara.
Lung lakara.
But we can use this one also. This is also nyakara, right? Dudai is nyakara. Chavarga nyakara.
Yes. Okay. So we can look at the dhatu and we can know what form it is. Okay. That is a good clue.
So in this sutra, nyakara is there. In Dudai Dhane also nyakara is there, Chavarga nyakara. But kartrabhipraya is not there. Guru is giving Diksha, but Diksha is not for his sake, right?
Yes.
So it is not kartrabhipraya. Then it is not Atmanepadi, it is Parasmaipadi.
Okay. Okay.
This nyakara and kartrabhipraya, 2 points we have to check.
Okay.
So the final sentence will be Guruna Diksham Dadati.
Mm.
Exactly. So the final sentence for 11 will be
Hmm.
Guruna Diksham Dadati. Is that right? Because there was another form for Dadati that we were discussing. So
It's Lang Lakara.
Huh. But why Guruna?
Guru.
It is Kartari Prayoga only, not Karmani Prayoga. If it is Karmani Prayoga, then Karta will be in Tritiya Vibhakti. If it is Kartari Prayoga, then Karta will be in Pratama.
Prathama. So Guru.
Guruhu Adikshat. Adikshata.
Prathama.
But it is, we can use Diksh Dhatu.
Hmm.
Not Da Dhatu. We can use Diksh Dhatu. Diksh is there, na?
Mm-hmm.
Diksh. In this, there is no Chavarganyakara, there is no Kavarganyakara. So we don't need to. This is by Dhatu itself, Atmanepad Dhatu.
Yeah, we didn't have confusion about Diksh. It was definitely about Da. Or it could be the, I don't know, I thought we did up till 14, did we do? Raja ne
No,
chor kuch.
this
We
one
did,
not.
okay, we only did up till Bhore ne vriksha ka sahara liya.
Yes.
Okay. So it came in Da Dhatu, that much I remember, but I don't remember the Lakar.
Okay,
But
we have
anyway,
to
I think
that.
the clues were helpful. So thank you for the Nya. Look for the Nya. Right.
So one other question then, Purnaji. If that means if we use the Diksh Dhatu, right? It will be Atmanepadi. Would that be wrong then?
No, it is Atmanepad Dhatu. Dhatu itself is Atmanepad Dhatu.
So we don't use, like, when we are looking at a sentence and let's say we have to use a verb, So, and we have both options of Atmanepadi and Parasmepadi. Then the meaning of the sentence should determine what verb we use, or how do we do? Like Guru Adikshata, right? That's what we said.
Yes.
So in that case, we know that Guru is not benefiting. It's for the benefit of the students that he's giving Diksha, initiation, right? So do we have to look for a Parasmepadi Dhatu?
There is no Parasmepadi for Diksh Dhatu.
No, but Da Dhatu would have. Oh, but here it's Diksh only has been given. Okay.
Diksh is given, so Diksh Dhatu is given, so we can use Diksh Dhatu itself.
Okay, then it won't matter whether it's.
No. So where Ubhayapadi Dhatus are there, then we can check. If it is already given Parasmepadi, Atmanepadi, Dhatu itself is Atmanepadi, then we don't need to worry about it.
Okay, thank you.
Next, 12th one. Anusha?
Surya Abhasata.
Bhas Dhatu is Atmanepadi or Parasmepadi?
Atmanepadi.
Atmanepadi. Suryaha Abhasata. So here, Surya is shining. So that Kriya is, it is not for the sake of Surya, but I think Bhas Dhatu only Atmanepadi is there.
Bhas is Parasmepadi, right?
Parasmepadi?
Atmanepadi.
Only Atmanepadi. Bhas is only Atmanepadi.
Can we use Surya Prakashata? Can they use prakashate? Surya prakashate, prakashate instead of bhasate?
No, only abhasata is there. Abhashate is speaking.
No. What I meant was for prakashate, can we use surya prakashate? Prakashate.
Prakashate. Yes,
Ah,
yes. Yes,
then,
we can
okay,
use
that's
that. That is kash dhatu.
Huh.
This is bhasru. So generally, we use these names for dhatus. But the original dhatu is this. Bhasru is the dhatu. Bhasru, deepto is the meaning. So if we are comfortable with these forms, then we will not know the nyakara and nakara. Kavarga nakara is there or nyakara is there. Like dudai, dano, dudai. Generally we say da, dani. If we don't know dudai, then it is chavarga nyakara is there in dhatu that we will not know. That's why in tradition they memorize these dhatus, not this one. But for us, easy, comfortable, we use these words. Okay. Next, 13th one. Oh, sorry, I had to open. Aparna ji.
I don't know the word Sahara Liya. What that means in the particular word.
Your voice is not clear to me. I don't know for others.
Sahara Liya, Purnaji, what could be the verb for it? I can do 14.
Sahara, alamb.
Huh. Okay, so is it more or is it bhaure? That the 13th sentence, is it more or is it ma or bha?
Purna, your voice is not clear at all. We can't make out what you're saying. If you're using any headphones, etc., maybe you can.
Okay, let me remove the headphones.
Okay.
The 13th one, is it more?
Oh, much better. Thank you. So much better.
Wow, that was such a nice. So sweet. Thank you. More, is it more or is bhaure? Is it more?
Bhaure. Bhaure means this dvirepaha.
Dvirefa. Okay. Dvirefe. Dvirefau, right? Dvirefau. Vrikshe.
Vibhakti should be there.
More. It is bhaure, na? So it is more than one. So I'm thinking if that it is dual or bahuvachana.
Okay.
That's why.
No, it doesn't have a dot, right?
It doesn't even look like a bha to me. So for me, everything.
No. Dot is there.
There's no dot.
There is no dot, or is there a dot?
No. There is a dot. In my book, there is a dot.
No. After the r.
That's what I'm asking.
No, after the ra, there is no dot. Before ra, there is dot.
So is it singular or double or plural? What is it then?
I think it should be singular because otherwise it will be bharone, right?
Okay. So dvirefaha, dvirefe, vrikshe, alambanam, alambana, liya. Liya means what? Alamban. Dvirefe, vrikshe.
Dvirefe is which vibhakti?
Sorry. Dvirefaha, vrikshe, alambanam, liya. I don't know. How should I say?
Alambanam is not noun. Ang upasarga purvak lamb dhatu.
So alamba. No.
Alambata. Alambata.
Alambata. Okay. Alambata.
Purnaji, one question.
Hmm,
That Virefa, should it take Chaturthi or because
Prathama.
it is Prathama only?
Prathama only. Virevaha vrikshe alambata. This is Bhutale ghato asti.
Purnaji, instead of vrikshe, can it also be vrikshasya alambata?
No. It is asaptami adhikarana.
So, okay. Vriksha ka sahara liya. So, you're putting it in adhikarana. Saptami. Okay.
Okay. Next one. If we use alambanam, then lut pratyaya will come. Visagamanam, shravanam, mananam, all these are lut pratyaya. So that sentence will be different. Okay. Next, 14th one. Prabhaji.
Yeah. राजा ने चोर को क्षमा कर दिया. Raja Soram. What would be the
Ksham is the dhatu.
Sham dhatu,
Sham.
right? Okay. Sham kar diya, so it is in the past. Ashamyat, would it be?
Akshamata.
Akshamata, okay. Raja choram akshamata.
बालक जल में घुसा. बालकः जलम. Ghusa is ghas, gah dhatu, so agahata.
Yeah, I thought of the same thing.
Balakah jale agahat. Right? So maybe saptami.
Jale, yes.
Jale.
Okay, jale.
Shivananji is next.
Shivanandaji.
बालिका का वस्त्र पैर से हटा. बालिकायाः पटं पादयोः
Srasyati.
It is langlakar. Asramsata.
लंग्लकर असंस्कृत.
So balika yaha vastram. It is padat, is what I thought. What did you say? Padayo.
पादयोः पैर.
So is it
means
Panchami?
legs.
Padayoho is it Panchami?
No, it is Dvivachanam.
Dvivachana, which vibhakti?
Shashti.
It is pair se, no? Asamsrata. So I thought it was Panchami. Maybe it's the same.
No, then it will
Would
be
it be
Padabhya.
asamskrita?
If it is Panchami, it will be. It won't be.
Are you back to your headphones, Aparna?
Yes. You're not audible?
Yeah, we can't hear you.
I was thinking Panchami because it is to
Mm.
separation, right?
Yes, it is. Yes. It fell from the feet or something like that. Yeah.
Moved away. Yeah. So
Moved away. Yes.
then it will be if it is Dvivachanam, it will be Padabhyam.
Oh, Padabhyam.
Padabhyam. Asrat.
And
Yeah.
will it be asamsrit? It's not in the past, right? He's
They
been given an instruction, so it should be lot, right?
Oh.
No instruction.
Balika
se
ka
hata.
vastra pair se hata.
I mean, it fell. It is past tense. That's how I read it.
Oh, hata as
Say
in
Hata is past, na? Yeah, Hata is past.
It is lang lakar.
Correct.
Dirghanagana. Like a pair, pada means it is foot. Pair means legs. Legs.
Yeah, both legs, no? Or like that's why.
Like
Or it
or
could be
legs.
one.
So
Oh, is it singular or Bahu? Dvivachanam is what I think Shivananji is asking.
Yeah.
no, means
Pairo se nahi hai na. I mean, it is not
Mm.
saying pairo se. So pair. So it should be one only. So
Padarth is what I was thinking, but you said
padartha to nahi.
no, means what I'm telling is pada is foot.
huh.
Foot
Oh,
is different. Legs are different.
Oh, I see. I see. Got it. So, what is leg in Sanskrit? We can ask
Pada
Purnaji.
only, right? I
but
mean, like
in Hindi we don't say it differently, do we?
no, we don't. Like pair or pairy, we only say
We
pair.
say pair only from what I remember.
Correct.
Okay.
We can confirm,
Yes, with Purnaji.
right? Yeah, that would be the best thing to do.
Okay. I think I am next. The next one is घर गिर गया और बालक दुखित हुआ व्यथ. So I thought this is where we apply niyama. Maybe not. I don't know. I thought we can say griham asramsata bala दुखित अव्यथत but balakah avyathat. I don't know if that cha.
We can use pat also, right? Apatat.
Yeah.
Apatat. Okay.
Yeah.
Griham apatatta and balakah
Balakah.
avyathat cha.
Hua is present, no? Or like you're taking it as past, lang lakara?
Yeah, I'm taking it as past. It's like this happened and then this happened. So that one.
Okay. Okay, so then balakah avyathatah cha, right?
Cha. Yes. Yeah. Apatata. Okay. Who's next? I think it is. Is Anusha ji still there? No, she's not. I think Aparna. Or it is Vijay ji. Huh?
VGG.
चोर को शंका हुई, वह डरा, कांपा और भागा. चोरः आशंकता, सः डरा means I don't know.
Bibeti.
Mm-hmm.
Bibeti.
Bibeti. Okay. बिबेति वेपति च धावति. Correct?
Kampa is kampat. What is kampa?
Kampa is vepati. Vep dhatu.
I think this chapter is on Lang Lakara, so we should use Lang Lakara for all those. That's how I kind of understood it. So it should be avepata, apata.
Avepata, adavata, abibata. Abibata,
Akampata.
avepata, cha, adavata.
Something like that, yes.
So even for Shanka, you're saying Ashankata?
Yes, ashankata.
Okay. Then
Can
Saha
I-
Abhibata, Akampata, and then Adhavata cha. Okay.
Should we be using yatat here? That is rule number 86.
You can try.
So yat choraha ashankata is what you're saying. Yeah, ashankata. Tat what were the
Should be Saha, no? Saha,
yeah.
Akampata, what is that?
Yata tatha, right? So saha. So saha is replaced by tatha.
Tat.
Tat.
No, but in the sentence, it doesn't say when he doubted, so it says vaha.
So then you have to say saha, yaha saha, if we are doing that.
No, you can use the next niyama. You can say saha. Saha for the second part, and then you can say yat for the first part. So that is the 87 niyama, where you just use yat. I don't know if it's applicable. Okay. I'm not sure. We have to.
No, so the yat shabd in the next rule was supposed to be jab ki or something, right? But then that's true. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know.
We can ask Purna ji. We can go to the next one. Anusha?
In the 87 rule, it's one person doing one thing and the second person doing another thing. And I think 86, it is the same person. The one who did this, did that. But yeah, we can ask Purnaji. That's fine.
Anusha, do you want to go for the next? Shivananji finished, right? Yeah. Anusha, do you want to go for the next question?
18th. Ma'am.
Yes. 18th is done.
19th.
19th. Aham mama gurum sevitavan prasannaha cha abhavam labhate or prasanna cha abhavam or labhate labhata.
Labhe is there. Labhe. So
not
this is
Only, right? Because it is
Vidhi
past. Yeah. Is past tense only, right? Sukpaya.
It is not past.
Yes, it is all past. It is alabhata.
Alabhata.
Okay. So मैंने गुरु की सेवा की, सुख पाया, बढ़ा और प्रसन्न हुआ. This is the sentence.
अहं मम गुरु सेवितवान्.
He, right? So past tense. Asevata.
Asevata.
असेवत. ओके.
Sevata.
असेवता
सुखम अलभे.
असुख अलभेत.
Alabhata.
अलभता. अवर्धता अमोदता च.
अच्छा. ओके. थैंक यू.
गुरु की सेवा which vibhakti?
What, Shivananji?
गुरु
Gurum
No,
seva.
just
Guru sevam.
means is there any vibhakti in this? Guru ki seva. Ki.
Gurum seve. Aseve. Asevata.
Vibhakti means pratama, dvitiya,
Pratama.
tritiya.
Pratama vibhakti. Haan. Pratama vibhakti.
For Guru, what vibhakti do we use? Guru ki seva. What do we do?
Gurum, right? Dvitiya. Pratama. Dvitiya ekavachanam.
एकवचनं. द्वितीय एकवचनं गुरु.
हाँ, गुरुम, correct.
Okay. Oh.
Next is बालक ने सीखा, यत्न किया, भिक्षा मांगी, खेला, कूदा और सुखपूर्वक रमा. बालकः अशिक्षता, अयत्नता, भिक्षाम अयाचत, अक्रीडत, कुद्यत, अकुद्यत, अमोदत च.
पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ॐ.
हरि ओम.